Okay, so this is how you change the audio source on your laptop or computer for Windows 11. So here you're going to go down, click on the speaker icon, and then you're going to click on the audio output icon. And here you're going to see all the audio sources that you have available on your computer. This is the monitor I have connected to my computer. These are the speakers built into my laptop. These are the headphones I have connected via Bluetooth. And if I want to switch from Bluetooth to the speakers on my laptop, I just click this right here and it'll switch. And you'll be able to tell because this blue line right here will then appear right here after I switch it, because that is what's selected. That's how they show it's selected. If you have other audio playing, everything that has audio will show up here in this bottom area. And if you want to turn down the audio for a specific window, like say OBS, or if you had Google Chrome and Google Chrome was playing audio, you just select the circle here and you drag it down to whatever volume you want if you want to turn down a specific window. But other than that, that's it for the audio outputs today.